Hey everybody, welcome back to Building with Bufus. So as you can see, today we are out in the woods. It is a chilly morning. Nice crispy 7 degrees out this morning when we started coming out here. Sun's coming up pretty good now in the sky, so warming everything up a little bit. But as you can see, it's cold, snowy, and perfect for cutting some wood. So we're out here looking for some more logs to saw up for the equipment shed build that we've been working on. So I figured while we're out here, let's find a few more logs to saw up, and at the same time we're behind in the firewood, so got to get next year's firewood ready. I think you saw in some of the videos the other day that, well, it's been a few weeks now, we were sawing some firewood out here, and got a lot more to go. There's quite a bit more to cut. I don't even know exactly how much we have on the ground now, but that's what the old log trailer's for. So every time that we fill this up, and I think I've showed you guys this before, but I'll go over it again for a minute. This is the log trailer I built a few years ago. So filling this up with 12-foot long logs, and by filling it I mean, you know, it's rounded over. It's, you know, probably right to here somewhere, something like that. Rounding that over, 12 feet long logs, rounded over there. That's a little over a cord, just about a cord of wood. I call it just to add a cord, but I think it's a little bit over. But so that's how I use to measure how much wood we got for firewood. So every log trailer load hauled out here, out to our yard, is a cord. So I put it in a pile and then dig out the old trusty log loader and log truck and haul it to the house to be processed. So, but anyway, that's the plan today. So glad you guys are here, and hope you enjoy this little jaunt we're taking out in the snowy woods. So here we go. Well, everybody, we got it. So that's a whole load right there, as you can see. We got it all hauled out. We're out here to the yard, and now gonna unload the log trailer, and then we'll go get the log truck either today or tomorrow, and haul it home. So I think we made out pretty good. A lot of work in there. Got a couple of nice logs for the sawmill. Those didn't come out in this load. We'll have to go back in and get another load at a different time, but for now, time to move on to keep working. So yeah, we're gonna unload this now, and then see about maybe going and getting some lunch. So that's it for today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little escapade in the woods, and if you did, consider subscribing. It's free, and like this video, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks for stopping in. See ya.